So having had the weekend to think about the new ISA transfer restrictions, while I understand the intentions of the school principals, what them do is still foolishness. To restrict the amount of student athletes who can transfer to sixth form and play sports, them targeting the students again. Them targeting the athletes with bad academics with the 45% rule, and now them targeting the student athletes with good academics with this sixth form rule. Again, the straight academic students, the singers, the girl guys, the cadets, no other grouping in the entire high school system is being targeted for any such restrictions. That is one. The other thing about small schools wanting to keep their athletes and build their programs and blah, blah, blah. In theory, it sounds good, but in reality, it's a fantasy. ISA's membership is over 100 schools. Only a handful of these schools can afford good sports programs. So with all due respect to the small schools, they are not in a position to offer the best opportunities to all their student athletes to achieve their full potential. This should not be about any particular school. This is about predominantly the children of poor Jamaicans given the opportunity to achieve their potential, whether at school X or at school Y. It's the same principle behind Jamaicans migrating to America and England and Canada. I'm going to show you the hypocrisy now. Many of these same school principals who voted in these restrictions, they started at smaller schools before becoming high school principals. And some of them are still looking and applying to becoming principals of even bigger schools. Why them don't stay and build them smaller schools? I catch you no, don't. Restrict to the self, man. Restrict to the self. I catch you with a small school thing, you know.